Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making pot rice cake, and this is requested by one of my viewers, Neil. I soaked the rice overnight and dry it out, and now I'm going to patch the rice. I'm going to patch the rice until it's brown. The rice is starting to patch now. We're going to patch it for some more until the rice is brown, and then we will start to add the other ingredients. We finished patching the rice. Now I'm going to add sugar. And I will keep turning. We're going to keep patching the rice and the sugar until the sugar is all melted. Now that the sugar is melted, I'm going to add carnation milk, nutmeg and cinnamon, and vanilla essence. Now this is done. We're going to shape the pot rice cake and leave them to cool down. Now I oil the board, and I'm going to start to shape. And we're going to continue this until we're all done. I finished shaping the pot rice cake. I'm going to leave them to cool down, and when they're cooled down we will plate and serve. Here's my pot rice cake. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.